Hi, welcome back to this third lecture of money laundering. And this example that I'm going to give you is okay. Let me give you the example first. Suppose there are two companies right here, that is A and this is company B. Now, company A has given loan to company B, okay, and company B has defaulted in the loan payment. Loan payment default. Now, obviously, if there is a loan given, there would be a guarantee, and the guarantee was paid by a person, that is who gave the guarantee. Guarantee gave person. Let's name him C. Okay. So as soon as the default was made in the loan payment, now A went to C to demand the amount. Okay. Nope. Let it be right here. A did not go to C. Guarantor is C. A went to the court. A went to the court against B, and the court agreed that B is insufficient to pay, B is incapable to pay the loan, hence the guarantor C should pay. Now, who should be paying the loan? That is, as per the court orders, C should be paying the loan. And whenever a court gives an order, court will always tell a person to transfer that amount in a genuine bank account. Okay, in a bank account. Yeah, bank account right here. Okay. Now C transferred all that amount into this bank account that was decided by the court, and this bank paid the amount back to A. Okay. So this right here, and yeah, this looks good. But what if I tell you that A is a shell company, B is also a shell company, and the owner of A company and B company are the same? Yeah, owner of A company and B company were the same, and the C was the mediator, and the amount was from the Russian peoples. Okay, so there were various Russian people who C represented, hence C first made this company in the United Kingdom, and United Kingdom, these two companies were made. A gave loan to A gave loan to B, and guarantor was C. Hence, once the loan was defaulted, the matter went to the court, and as the court said that the amount should be transferred by C via a bank account, hence all the money that C had was from people of Russia. Okay. So indirectly, who is the owner of this company? The owner of the company A and owner of the company B and owner of the representative person C is the people right here that has their black money or that have their dirty money. So once the amount is transferred by the order of the court from the bank account to the company A, now the owner, as there might be dummy owners, but the true owners were Russian people, hence they used various offshore bank accounts to channel their money back into their own purpose of, yeah, wherever they want to put it in. So if someone would have asked where did this money come from, they would have said A, and if someone would have asked A, this money came from the court order, that is from the bank, and no one can question the court. So this became the, and what if I told you that the amount was $80 billion? Okay, and this thing went on for 4 years until 2010 to 2014. until it was discovered, and till this date it is not properly discovered because there is no proper evidence, because this was all done with millions of transactions sophisticatedly executed via offshore accounts. Now this here is something that I told you. The It is often referred to as the Russian laundromat. Russian laundromat. Okay, go ahead and give it an extensive read. It is super interesting that how was it done. Till date, people are trying to discover how much is the amount. Some say it is $20 billion, some say it is $80 billion, and yeah, they could really track no one. So what really happened is, now this was that there were setting up of two companies, that is company number A and this is company number B. Company number 2 and company number 1, both registered in the United Kingdom. Okay, so the next thing that they do is they start transaction with, yeah, right here. The two companies make a transaction. UK company number 1 pretends to make huge loan to UK company number 2. Okay, looks very good. And who was the guarantor? The guarantor was Russian company's guarantee loan. Yeah, and the guarantor was the Russian companies, and the main co-guarantor was Moldovan citizen. Okay, yeah. Now the main guarantor is Russian companies and the co-guarantor is Moldovan citizen. That is, Moldova is a country in the Eastern Europe, and it was formerly the part of Soviet Union. So I'll tell you why did they choose this Moldovan citizen. Okay, now the stage dispute, that is the company refused to pay the company refused to pay the loan. Hence, the company one went to the bank, and as everyone knows that the banks, that is the court in the Russias, are much strict and the laws are much strict. Hence, they did not go to the country of the main guarantor, they went to the country of co-guarantor, that is Moldova. Okay, now Moldova's court, which, using the fact that one of the guarantors was Moldovan, the British company which lent the cash sues it in the Moldovan court. Hence, they went to the Moldovan court, and the judge orders. Now the judge protected the interest of this co-guarantor right here, and it ordered the Russian citizen to pay the amount. And how did the judge order? The judge ordered it by the bank in Latvia. Now, if I can't spell the name, it doesn't matter. The country right here is, oops, Latvia. Okay, and Latvia is popular for its strict banking regulations. Hence, no one can ever displace or distrust a transaction from Latvia. So the judge ordered the Russian guarantors to transfer it to Latvian bank account, and then it entered the European Union. Hence, that amount is finally given to the company A, that is the company 1, and yeah, so that amount is again in the hands of Russian peoples only, but instead it is now more, it is now transparent clear that it came from the, where did the company 1 receive this account from? They received from the Bank of Latvia, and it was ordered by the court. Hence, this is a white money. Okay, now there were thousands of transactions that took place, and this laundromat is still till the world considered as the biggest money laundering. So yeah, give it an extensive read and obviously enhance your knowledge. Good day.
The whole world looked to you. Would you step up and inspire?